ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತು ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೌಟ್ಗಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೋಗೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ದೈಹಿಕ ಅಂತರವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿರುವ ಕುಟುಂಬದವ್ರನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರನ್ನು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರಿ. ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ exercise 2.1. In the last class, in the second sub question, we have completed the first two problems. In the today class, remaining two problems we can solve. Look at the third problem. Pi by 2 x square, pi by 2 x square plus x. Pi by 2 x square plus x. There are two terms. It is the one term, it is the another term. What is the question? Find the coefficient of the x square. Find the coefficient of the x square. Now, pi by 2 x square plus x. Pi by 2 x square plus x. Pi by 2 into x square plus x. In between the pi by 2 and the x square, there is a into present or multiplication. Now pi by 2 into x square plus x. Now what is the coefficient of the x square? They ask the question, what is the coefficient of the x square? They have given the two terms here. Polynomial they have given pi by 2 x square plus x. Now what they ask the question? They ask the question, what is the coefficient of the x square? What is the coefficient of the x square? Now here coefficient of the x square is pi by 2 is the coefficient of the x square. Now the coefficient of the x square is coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Pi by 2. The coefficient of the x square is pi by 2. Now look at the fourth problem. Root 2x minus 1. Root 2x minus 1. Here root 2x is the constant. There is no x square. Here there is no x square. We have to create x square. Now root 2x minus 1 0 root 2x minus 1 0 into x square root 2x minus 1 0 into x square root 2x minus 1. What is the coefficient of the x square? It is also one term. What is the coefficient of the x square? 0 is the coefficient of the x square. Now the coefficient of x square is 0. The coefficient of the x square is 0. Where you have to create the x square. There is no x square in the given terms of the polynomial. We have to create the x square here. If you are taking the 0 into x square, 0 to x square is 0, but we have to create here x square. We have to create the coefficient of the x square is 0 is the coefficient of the x square. Now look at the third problem. Give one example. Give one example. Each of the binomial of a degree of a degree 35 of a degree 35 and of a monomial of degree monomial of degree 100 monomial of degree 100. They given the question that give one example each of the binomial of a degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Already we know that what is degree of the polynomial which having the highest power, which is having the highest power. Take one example, x power 25 plus x power 20, x power 25 plus x power 20. If they ask the question what is the degree of the polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial, here first we will see the which is the highest power in the given terms, which is the highest power in the given terms. Here x power 25 plus x power 20, which is the highest power? 25 is the highest power, because 20 and 25, which is the greatest number here? 25 is the greatest number. That's why the degree of the polynomial is 25. The degree of the polynomial is 25. Now look at the another example. 2x power 1 plus 2x power 2. 2x power 1 plus 2x power 2. Here, which is the what is the degree of the polynomial? They ask the question. If they ask the question, what is the degree of the polynomial? Now, here by looking the powers of the given terms, here you should look the powers of the given terms. 2x power 1 plus 2x power 2. Which is the highest term here? Which is the highest power here? 2x power 2 is the highest power, because the power is 2 and the 2x power is 1. Here 2x power is 2. That's why the degree of polynomial is 2, because highest power is 2, because the highest power is 2. Now give one example each of the polynomial of a degree of 35. Degree of 35. Degree of 35 is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. Here 35 is a 2-digit number. 35 is a 2-digit number. Now having two terms, having the two terms, and highest degree must be 35. Highest degree must be 35. Highest degree 35. Highest degree 35. Should give the example having the two terms. It must have the two terms, and the highest degree of the polynomial is 35. The degree of the polynomial is 35. Now, example 1. Or it may contain the constant term. It may contain the constant term. Constant term is also one of the term. Now, x power 35 plus 1. X power 35 plus 1. Here x power 35 is also one of the term, and plus x power plus 1 is also one of the term. Here anything in here 1x power 0 is also 1, and here x power 35 and x power 0, which is the highest term here? Which is the highest power here? X power 35 is the highest term. Now t power 35 plus t power 30, t power 35 plus t power 30. Here which is the highest power? 35 and in between the 35 and the 30, which is the highest term here? 35 is the highest term. Now degree of the polynomial is 35. Now y power 35 plus y power 2. Y power 35 plus y power 2. The given two terms, which is the highest power? 35 is the highest power. The degree of the polynomial is 35 because 35 is greater than the 2. 35 is greater than the 2. That's why the power of the degree is 35. Now we completed the binomial of a degree of 35. Now look at the degree is 100 having the monomial term. The degree of monomial of a degree 100, and having the one term, because monomial means single term. Monomial means single term. In the before question they asked the binomial means having the two terms. Here they asked the monomial term having one term, and the highest degree must be 100. Highest degree must be 100. Highest degree 100. Highest degree must be 100. Now example for this: x power 100, because only monomial single term, x power 100, and t power 100, and the y power 100, or you can give so many examples for the monomial having the degree or power 100. In the today's class we have already completed the first two problems. In the second main, last main, and the third question also we have completed. In the next class we will complete the fourth main and the fifth main problems. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.